guys,
Hi.
it's Diane. This be the whole squad. This is
Alexandra,
Sydney,
Jillian,
Wisdom,
and today we're gonna make pizzas.
homemade pizza.
homemade
Yes.
pizza.
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 Yes.
I'm that girl from the other vlog.
Me too. I'm like.
I feel like I was in the Christmas one.
I'm the fiesta salsa king.
And she was in the 8th grade one, and
I was the girl with the
really? So we're gonna make pizza. So let's get started with showing you guys
Wow.
the ingredients.
Minnie, are you putting this on a pizza? No, baby,
Got pizza sauce.
buffalo sauce too.
I've never tried buffalo sauce.
Sauce.
It's not vegan. Sorry guys, it's not vegetarian.
I'm a
I'm
pescatarian.
pescatarian too.
So I'm just gonna have a cheese pizza.
Yeah, us two are pescatarians. so we
Pescatarians.
just-
If you don't know what a pescatarian is, pescatarians
are basically vegetarians, but they're not. They only eat seafood. The only meat they eat is seafood.
Clarify.
Oh, you're
Little
vegetarian.
YouTube poll. Did you see our face? We were like, trust from packaging and that's okay. Can we just put it on the counter, Mom?
You literally put it.
Oh, you nasty.
Wait, hold on. We should clean the counter because I'm all about German boy.
Wait, why is that?
I know, but you know.
I hope Diane puts that in.
Yeah, zoom into Julia's face at.
Wait,
second the corner. You need a plate.
Wait, I want to be in the video.
You need a plate.
Yeah, Diane needs a plate.
Am I non-existent?
Oh,
And you're invisible. You blend in with the cabinet.
I be so skinny. I be sitting on an air park.
Packaging and brush with oil.
so we need oil. Where your oil at?
You got olive oil?
Here's the
You got
pizza.
vegetable oil?
Look how good it looks.
It looks a little like cheese or something.
Yeah.
Because it is.
It is? For real though.
No, I've never had mod. I kind of want some.
Mod
I've
is so
never had
good.
mod either. We should go, Dan.
Can we have
I've
a
never
lunch
had
date?
Chipotle either.
Yeah,
Lunch
let's
date.
lunch date.
Chipotle is so good.
Chipotle is my life.
Chipotle,
I was mad at them when they put a blob of guacamole. Sorry.
Comment down below
I
if you're
look so
team Chipotle or team no Chipotle.
Mr. Fortin.
Do you like Chipotle?
I do, but I like Cadova better.
You like what?
Cadova better.
What's
Kind
that?
of like a similar to Chipotle. What do you guys get doing?
Wait, which sauce should I use, Joe?
So I'll see you guys after we cut all the toppings because I don't want to edit all of that. So
Oh, you get that.
yeah.
Oh, mine has the little rip because I ate some.
Yeah, mine has.
These are the pizzas.
They smell good.
Don't burn yourself.
It smells.
Convection. Oh no, what is it?
Hold on.
Convection.
Convection oven.
They already chipped, guys.
Homegrown need a fail.
This is mine. This is Cindy's. That not for real.
Yeah. She's like.
That's little baby Alexandra. Oh, she's so cute. Oh.
He is not
That's
cute compared. It's so good.